Hi everyone. In this video, I will let you know how we can utilize the for loop and if together for text analytics. So I need to pick only those names from the list where O is there. In that particular name, O is there. So here I have created one list. Name of the list is team. And here I'm taking one empty list. This is an empty list. No value is in this list. So here I need to write for X in team. So whatever list value available into this team list, one by one value you will get into X. Now I will check X value if O is there. So you need to write here if O is in X. In X, first time you will get Ram. So in Ram, you don't have O. So it will move. Okay. It will not append into this new list. Then second time it will read Mohan. So in Mohan, it will check O is there or not. In Mohan, we have O. So you will get append Mohan into this list, new list. Okay. Then third time it will read Nitesh, fourth time it will read Kishore. Kishore has O, so your output will be appended into this new list. Okay. Jugal, you don't have any O, so it will skip. So let's see how we can utilize this example into text analytics. So see here, I'm just moving on, and here I need to take one list. So paste here, here I'm just removing it. This is my list. So you need to write for loop. So here I'm taking for my val is a name of the variable. In you have to take list name. And here you need to take column. And now you have to check if within inverted comma you have to take O, a small letter O. Then you have to take here in you have to take my val. Then if O is there, then what action you need to do? Here I will take one empty list. So this is the list my emp. Okay. My emp is a empty list. So here I'm taking this empty list. Now in this my emp list, you have to add that value where O is there. Okay. So here I need to take my emp dot append. Then you have to take here which list? My val list. So I'm taking here my val list. Okay. Then you have to take here print. Print. You have to take here my emp. I have to check what value is available into this list. So in this list, in this empty list, I will get John and Jacob. Run it. So as of now, I'm getting error. You know why I'm getting error? So here I have not applied colon and it's fine. Now you can see here John and Jacob is in your empty list. Okay. Now same thing I will do with different code. So different code is this. So this is the code I have to utilize for loop. So here I will write X for X in team if O is in X. In X, I will get one by one list and it will check O into that X. Okay. So let's see how we can utilize it. Directly, I have written here new list name. Okay. So see here, I'm just taking this list. Okay. Come here and then you have to write here new list. So I'm writing my emp list and you need to write here you have to take a square bracket. So this is the square bracket you have to take. So here I'm taking a square bracket. This is the square. sorry. Here I will take a square bracket and here I will put my val. So my val is a name of the variable. My val for my val in team. Okay. If within inverted comma you have to write O in my val. In my val, you will get one by one value. One by one value means first time I will get John, second time I will get Mary, third time Jacob, fourth time Kyle. Now in this name, I will check if O is there. Okay. If O is there in my val, I'm getting John in my val. So John has O. So it will append that value into this new list. Okay. Now here I'm taking print and I will take here my M. Okay. So first you need to write down the variable. Then you need to write here for same variable name in this list. So whatever list I have defined, and then I will check the condition through the if. If O is there, then it will append into this list. Otherwise, it will not append. So where I have written append. So I have not written append. So by default, it will append. No need to write append. But here in this code, I have written append. Okay. Now let me check. So see here, I'm getting same output. So you have two ways to take same output. So you have to decide which code you want to utilize. I think this is a simple, but this is a little bit tricky, but this is a one-liner code. Okay. Whenever you will understand it, you can easily write single line code to take output. So this is the difficult part. My val I written here, which is the name of the variable. Then for loop is similar to previous one. Then in same line I have written if O in my val. If it will match in your name, then it will append into this list. Okay, then I will finally I will get this output. Thank you so much for this video.